Greetings, this is Logan Farmer, one of the service engineers here at DP Solutions. One of the most common service requests I get is, hey, can I get a shortcut icon on my desktop? Now this is an important request, as desktop icons provide quick access to commonly used programs, and are incredibly simple to make. Here, let me show you. In this example, I'll create one for Google Chrome. Simply type the name of the program into the Windows search bar, hover over the application, then right-click on it and select Open File Location. This will open a window showing where the program is on your computer. Finally, right-click on the app again and choose Create Shortcut. Sometimes the computer will ask you if you want to put it on the desktop. Hit Yes. If not, simply drag the newly created shortcut named Program Name Shortcut onto the desktop. And there you go! You can also make shortcut icons for your folders too. Simply follow the same process that we just went through, but you'll navigate to a folder you want to make the shortcut for instead. Shortcut icons can be made for almost any program or folder, all in about these 3 simple steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your Windows experience a little more smooth.